Hi students, today we will implement full adder circuit. So just open your logic gate simulator and add a blank file to your work area. So as I have shared circuit diagram in the group, so you must be aware of full adder circuit. Actually, what is full adder? It is a combinational logical circuit that adds two data bits and carry from the previous circuit as well carry during the addition generated in the full adder circuit. Okay, full adder circuit is just a combination of two half adder circuits. Okay, so half adder circuit we have discussed earlier. We can just implement our full adder here by using two half adders. Half adders, you must be aware, we need XOR gate and AND gate to construct half adder. So for two half adders we need two AND gates and two XOR gates, and as I told, a full adder is a combination of two half adders. It means we have to add these two, so we need a OR gate. Okay, so 5 logic gates are required for full adder using two half adders, right? So we will add our components, our inputs, our output to the work area. So for input, as you know, we always use toggle switch is there. So how many inputs we require? More than two. Okay, so that we can add the carry input as well. So first toggle will represent your input A, second will represent your input B, and third will represent C, that is your carry input. You can add text, as you know. C is for carry. Third toggle I have added here for carry input. You can also add C in, that is a variable name. Whatever you like, you can write here. And after that, we need two XOR gates, two AND gates, and one OR gate. and last one OR gate. And as you know, for output we can use lamps. So for some I have taken red LM, and for carry I have taken green. So we can connect this circuit. First add input, just construct your half adder. Input B, and after that add your some bit from the half to the input of second half adder and gate, so that we can carry input is applied to both. Okay, input of your second XOR and input of your second NAND gate. Similarly, we need to add the output of the first XOR gate to the input of the second XOR gate. So now we need to XOR both the AND gates, and output from second XOR gate is a sum bit and applied to red LED output. So you can label it sum. Okay. And this one is your carry, green LED for carry. So this is our complete circuit diagram. Full adder using two half adders. So as you know, three inputs are there, three variables are there. So maximum combination available is 2 power 3. 3 is your number of variables, that is 8. So 8 possible combination of 0 ones are there, and 2 outputs are there. Okay, sum and carry. So as you have gone through your full adder circuit, you must be aware that output some bit will be high for when both the inputs are 0 0 and carry input is 1. For this combination, some bit will be high and carry bit will be 0. So we will check it from here. From both the inputs are, when the both input A and B are low and carry is 1, then your sum bit is 1 and carry bit is 0. So this is verified, and we can verify the next when sum will be high. Sum will be high when one of the input A or B is high and carry is 0. For that combination also, our sum is high and carry is low. And another combination is when A is high and B is low. For that also, sum bit is present at output, it's a high and carry is low. And another combination for which your sum bit will be high and your carry will be high, that is when all the inputs are 1. Means your carry from the previous circuit is present there, that is C, and both the inputs are high. For that combination, there will be a sum bit present at output and a carry bit also there. Okay, you can see from this combination that there is a carry generated in a half adder. Okay, when one is added to next one, sum is 0 and carry is present, and that carry is added to the carry input. Okay, so that the sum is high and carry is also high. Okay, 1 1 0 and 0 1 1, sum is 1 and carry is generated during addition of single bits, so that the carry bit is also high. So this is your full adder using 2 half adders. You can also verify all the remaining 4 combinations for which your carry bit is high, and you can write your Boolean expression by using this truth table for full adder. And there is also a minimization technique that is known as Karnaugh mapping. You will cover it in your theory section. Okay, Karnaugh map are used to minimize the expression so that we can limit the number of components used in the given circuit. So here we are seeing we have used 5 components, but by using Karnaugh map we can minimize the expression, and accordingly our number of components will be minimized. So I will share in next video, in next lab, a Karnaugh map application with you. Okay, just go through that application. It will give you a sense of how we can minimize expression by grouping the variables. Okay, so as you practice your Karnaugh mapping, you will have a idea of minimization techniques. Okay, how we can minimize our circuit diagram, how we can reduce the cost of a given circuit. So this Karnaugh map is very helpful, and I will share in next lab. So that's for all for today. Just implement this circuit, full adder circuit, and verify your truth table. Thank you.